Oh, what a beautiful house. I want to go inside this house.
Oh no, this can't be. My cat, where are you? There is a very dangerous haunted house here. Let's go home quickly. Maybe my cat must be in this house. Let me check now. Oh no, there is such a big snake in it. Maybe my cat must be in this house. Oh my god, there is a dangerous monster in it. Let me quickly lock it in a cage. I think maybe my cat must be in this haunted house. If you also think the same, then quickly like and subscribe. Look, my dear cat, I have brought fish for you.
Wow, I like fish very much.